In this video, I'll show you how to watch WWE events on Peacock. Step 1. Subscribe to Peacock Premium. WWE content is only available with a Peacock Premium or Premium Plus subscription. If you're not subscribed, go to Peacock's website and upgrade. Step 2. Navigate to the WWE section. On the Peacock homepage, scroll down or go to the Sports section. Select WWE to access upcoming events, shows, and replays. Step 3. Watch live or on demand. You can watch WWE events live or check the on-demand library for past shows. WWE pay-per-views and premium events are included with the premium subscription. WWE content is available as part of Peacock's library in select regions. Access to new PPVs and events will depend on your subscription tier. And that's how you watch the WWE on Peacock. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.